Up top and just that, you know, it's DUTCHdinero here representing for DUTCHdinero Top Slide TV. Remember to share, like, subscribe. Tell your friend them about Yasso, cause a Yasso nice. Yeah, man. So we are talking about Westmoreland cops probe boat capsizing. You know what I mean? As me see that one, you know what come to my mind, my family. The plane just crashed with it. The plane just crashed with it. Yeah, man. It come to my mind when me see that one. You know what I mean? But I know in a Clarendon that time, yeah, in a Westmoreland. So I could check you out and see what I go on. Yeah, man. I could hear what I go on. Westmoreland cops probe boat capsizing. The Westmoreland police say a full probe is underway to determine if owners of a boat that capsized in the vicinity of Rick's Cafe in Negril last Saturday was in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act (DRMA). Viral videos purported to be of the boat shows that the vessel was packed with patrons. The team was told that the vessel started to develop mechanical problems and immediately started to capsize, resulting in passengers jumping overboard. They were rescued by persons in two other vessels. Superintendent Robert Gordon, commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police, told the team that the police have launched a full probe into the incident in collaboration with the Marine Police. Gordon also indicated that based on the preliminary findings, a number of persons may find themselves being prosecuted for breaching the DRMA. Some of the boats were identifiable by virtue of their markings, and we will be taking our investigations from that angle, he said. Also, I can say nobody came forward to make any reports of any injury or anything. He further stated that based on video recordings, it would appear that an event was taking place on the boat. There is a ban on entertainment activities, so for persons still to be engaging in those form of activities in any way, shape or form, it is a breach, said Gordon, adding that the police have not yet identified the boat, but based on what we saw, it would appear that the vessel docked in the vicinity of Rick's Cafe when it started to sink. Gordon added, I don't want to make any form of determination now, but let us see where the investigations goes, and if the investigations take us to the findings that a party was being held, persons will be prosecuted. President of Negril Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, told the team that he was very concerned about the incident. It is very sad to hear, very unfortunate, and happy that nobody was hurt in the incident, Wallace stated. We hope the operators were not operating in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, and also that they would ensure that whatever mistakes were made are not repeated. Up top and just that, you know, it's DUTCHdinero here representing for DUTCHdinero Top Slide TV. Remember, share, like, subscribe, tell your friend them about Yasso, cause a Yasso nice. Hit me up in the comment box and let me know what you think about this whole something here. This boat capsizing in front Rick's Cafe. You know what I mean? So this boat in a Westmoreland now, right? You see some people on the boat. I don't know if it's a party them a keep. I don't know if them just a give boat a little drive out because you know say a COVID time and you know want your thing to seize up. So you might a give it a little cruising sail. You know what I mean? But imagine you're there on a boat and when you look it just a sink like Titanic. Imagine you're there on a boat and when you look, you just see boat a lean. You know boat a something, you know them something there sometimes they lean, you know, when they lean. Water splash up on you and them thing there and you know what I mean? But imagine you see a boat just a leaning definitely. And when you look you see part of the boat a sinking in the water. No. I guess I know you can't swim. But you still have to jump off, you know. Cause better you die trying. If that be the case, that's true. Yeah man, but imagine you just see a boat a sink. You would just stand up there and scream and make it just sink with your. You would just jump off. As the only alternative, you know what I mean? So tell me what you would do. Hit me up in the comment box and let me know what you think about that one. You know what I mean? Yeah man, but here we go now. The Disaster Risk Management, you know, the DRMA, you know, against all entertainment activities. So police now active panda one as an investigation. You know what I mean? Because they want to know if it's a party that keep on a boat. How comes the boat just a sink so? So they might do further investigation to find out if too much people did that on it. So they can know say something wrong did go on with the captain. You know what I mean? But them say nobody reported injury. You know what I mean? As you see a next boat, they're right behind it. You know what I mean? Yeah, as you see a next boat come to aid same time to help some people. You know what I mean? But me not really see nobody I really like them across to go up on the boat. You know what I mean? Me see somebody stand up. If you look, you can see somebody stand up in a red. Like them no business. If it a sink, make it sink. You know what I mean? Like a shy captain. Cause I look like a female. Yeah man, he look like a shy captain, so she want to be the last one to come off a boat. Up top and just that, you know, it's DUTCHdinero here representing for DUTCHdinero Top Slide TV. Remember, share, like, subscribe, tell a friend them about Yasso. Hit me up in the comment box. Let me know what you think about that one. What you think about you being on a boat and it just a sink? You know what I mean? That ever happened to you yet? You know what I mean? Because you know, sometimes you have them like a boat party there, you know what I mean? So, let me know what you think about that one. Up top.